So if you're thinking of getting the Luminette glasses, then this is my honest opinion and my honest review of them. I've had these for over a year now, and there's a few things I like about them, a couple of things to bear in mind. So these are basically, as you probably know, designed to help you with things like seasonal affective disorder, or if you're not getting enough sunlight, they can help to anchor your circadian rhythm first thing in the morning. And for that, they do a perfect job. So I use these mainly in the winter when it's not so sunny. And first thing in the morning, I just put these on, press the little button, and it starts an automatic timer, which is one of the things I love about this, is that it has this automatic timer which just kind of like turns off. If I press it, it might not be, no, it's not charged because I haven't used them since it's summer now. But basically, yeah, it kind of like sets this timer going. They're super comfortable. They don't feel annoying at all because it has this kind of like nose mount here that holds them away from your face. So they're super comfortable and you can do other things while you use them. And this is one of the cool things I love about these, is that you can actually put them on first thing when you wake up, press the button, it starts the timer, and then you can go about your day while they're going, while the light is shining. You can go and do your morning routine, brush your teeth, make breakfast, whatever you do, and you don't have to think about it. You can just do other things. They're rechargeable with, I believe, micro USB. Yep. So super useful. The battery lasts absolutely ages. I think it took several weeks before I needed to charge them last time I used them. And it comes with this charging cable and a very cool little carrying case which protects them. You can take this traveling. So if you're looking for something like a very simple gadget to help anchor your circadian rhythm and actually help improve your sleep, then I highly recommend the Luminette glasses.